In today's episode, I'm going to be talking about two meme coins that I think are about to go way, way higher. So make sure you watch the video in its entirety, and let's jump into today's video. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, definitely make sure that you like and subscribe on my channel, guys, because on this channel, I am speaking about getting rich with cryptocurrency and staying rich with cryptocurrency, okay? And also make sure you're following my X. This is where everyone seems to be piling in. I get about 30 to 50 followers a day, okay? Now, today, guys, I'm going to be talking about a coin that is a slow cook. It's been cooking for like 6 months, but I think this thing is really about to blow up and pop off, okay? This coin is called Dagestan, okay? This got on my radar by Pablo. He's a crypto OG, really good at spotting narratives, you know, before they front-running narratives, basically, you know? And I've been in this coin since 250K market cap, and it's now sitting around 500K, okay? And there was a tweet yesterday. I gotta find it here somewhere. I've been tweeting a lot all day about this coin yesterday, and I'm gonna keep tweeting about it. Okay, but basically Moonshot did a soft show on this coin. So it's on Moonshot's radar, guys, and if you don't know what Moonshot is, it's a major crypto trading app for normies, and this coin has been viral all over TikTok, and it's getting more and more, okay? It's getting more and more viral, okay? There's a lot of big accounts talking about it now. No Fees talking about it. I'm talking about it, okay? But you guys can pick some up. Let me show you the price on this thing really fast. We're gonna go over to CLO. I don't really like discretion. Okay, and I'm also gonna talk about another coin I think that's gonna go much higher. Okay, guys, so here's the coin, all right? And I've been getting in since 250K, all right? This is on CLO, just showing you guys the chart. Okay, so it's been an accumulation. You can see my buys. Okay, this little sell was like $1 or something. But those are all my buys. You know, I've been accumulating, and it's really, really close, guys. It's really, really close. Okay, not financial advice, but you know, this is a demand zone, guys. Demand zone is just where the coin is loading. Okay, you can see it's staying closer to the top versus the bottom, so that's good. And I think once this thing gets above 1 million, it could probably send really, really high. Once again, not financial advice. But I really like this coin. I like the meta, the lore behind it, the story behind it. Basically, guys, to understand this coin, because obviously you want to understand something before you're aping into it, okay? But basically, the story behind this Dagestan coin is that this UFC fighters and all these really good UFC fighters, you know, like this Habib, I think it's Habib, I pronounce his name wrong, I'm probably butchering it. I'm not a big UFC person every day, but basically, they send these guys 2 to 3 years off to Dagestan for training and, you know, turn these boys into men, and they become like these like chiseled fighters, and they're super disciplined. And it's been going viral all over TikTok, and basically they've been showing all these funny clips of people. Like, let's watch this one. I'll show you this one. It's funny. That's not a really good one, but they are showing other ones where it was just like showing like a weak guy turning really strong or whatever. So that's basically the story behind that coin, but it's blowing up on TikTok, guys. It's going really well, okay? Yeah, and another coin that was brought on my radar, well, it's not brought on my radar, it's been on my radar since it pumped like crazy, but the Penguin coin. And this was a tweet by Crypto Bitlord. Okay, this is more of like a swing trade on size if you have a bigger account, and you just, you know, you want to do like a 3x, 10x. You know, I think if this thing gets a Binance listing, you know, I think this could easily go to 1 billion plus. I think there's gonna be crazy FOMO kicking in. Yeah, this thing's sitting under 100 mil right now, okay? Now, obviously this thing pumped like crazy. I don't think it's over, guys, because look at this. It says, Penguin versus Peanut structural breakdown. And notice how they both had to accumulate plus range under 100 million. Peanut had a full wake of ranging, 3rd to 10th, before a God candle sent it to 500 million instantly, and then 2.4 billion after. The only difference is that Penguin has 100x total mind share. So very, very interesting, guys. That's another coin that you could possibly do a nice swing trade on. This one, obviously, it's more speculative, and it's a lower cap, so it's a higher risk. But like I said, guys, once this thing gets over 1 million, I really think it's off to the races, okay? Yeah, and you can see it just keeps tapping. It just keeps tapping this line, right? Like this is the this is like the resistance right there, okay? But once we get some more volume in here, you can see it's up here. We got a boost going on. You know, the holder account, I don't know, guys, that chart is not loading on holder scans. Something is wrong with it. It's glitching out today. It's just being all glitchy. But you can see right here, guys, you know, this thing is very, very close. Very, very close. You know, I would not get shook out of this. I think this is going to go much, much higher. So, yeah, guys. And if you're struggling with trading and you just want to start making serious money with trading, check out my Katana Strike trading system, okay? This is over 7 years of trading experience of me and my students making a lot of money and, you know, losing money and all the lessons that I learned in it, so you don't have to go through all those trading mistakes, okay? Because with trading, you know, every mistake, it has a cost to it, you know? And if you keep repeating that, you're gonna go broke. But if you learn how to trade really good, you can, you know, create the life of your dreams. And I'm also going to be going into developing coins very soon. That's another section that I'm going to be adding in. But there's already tons of sections in here, guys, about, you know, entering your moon bags, you know, the golden hour with BNB. You know, we've got this unlimited trading signals. We've got risk manager, lifetime support. You guys get one-on-one calls with me. It's all inside of a school group, so you guys get access to me. And, you know, you get a lot of stuff. Just go through here, read about it, okay? And you can see some of the calls that we got into right here if you're inside of the Katana Strike. Crazy gains, guys, 100x, 1000x. But we're hitting a lot of wins, guys. And, you know, I've also lately been talking about coins that I handpick. You know, so like if the signals are overwhelming, I let you guys know like which coins, you know, to get into to help you guys grow your account if you're struggling, all right? So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Signing off from a tropical bliss, and I will see you at the top.